Many times we are just happy to operate drones but neglect the safe operation. Today we want to share with you how to fly safely and avoid some operational accidents. DJI Agriculture is committed to promoting technological innovation in the drone industry and to fulfill social responsibilities by calling for public awareness of safe flight and advocating law-abiding flight operations. Before spraying, please obey operation rules as follow. Do not touch the drone when it's still running. Select flight area properly. Keep a safe distance from others. This will not only allow you to complete your job in an efficient manner, but also to protect the safety of yourself and others. Do not touch the drone when it's still running. The drone needs to get lift by spinning its propeller at high speed to get off the ground and fly. Do not touch the drone when it's still running. Propellers running at very high speed may endanger the safety of people, animals, and crops. Take Agras T40 as an example. The propeller speed can reach 300 rpm, and the blade edge linear speed can reach 100 m per second, which is similar to the running speed of a high-speed railway. If equipment failure is found during flight, it is recommended to correct it after landing. Select flight area properly. The takeoff and landing point of the UAV should be selected in a flat and open area, with fewer personnel to ensure the safety of the takeoff and landing process. Do not fly in sensitive areas such as highways with lots of people and vehicles, airport clearance protection areas, and government residences. Flying in these areas will bring high security risks. During takeoff and landing, pilots should keep a safe distance of more than 6 meters from the agricultural drone at all times. Do not approach the agricultural drone when it's still working. Remember to take of the drone from opposite side. Keep a safe distance from others. The agricultural drone is plant protection equipment suitable for agricultural, forestry, and animal husbandry areas. In order to ensure safety, do not fly the agricultural drone in the downtown area, park, and other crowded areas. Also, please do not operate in the presence of personnel in the task area, to avoid personal injury. During the operation, the operator should pay attention to the farmland and the surrounding area, pay attention to whether there are farmers working in the field. If so, the operation shall be suspended or the farmer shall be informed to stay away from the operation field. If there are many onlookers, please ensure that the onlookers are in a safe area to avoid safety accidents caused by the onlookers approaching the agricultural drone. Using agricultural drones to carry people is forbidden. This not only has safety risks, but also does not meet the requirements of agricultural drone management regulations. Safe flight starts with everyone.